So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Visa stock in your tax-free savings account or your TFSA in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go into your tax-free savings account, then go to the bottom bar right here and press on the search magnifying glass icon. Then at the top where it says search below discover, press on search. As I mentioned before, if you wanted to buy Visa stock, simply just type in the word Visa right here. As you can tell, there's two different options here. There's Visa and ticker symbol V. Press on the one where it says ticker symbol V with the options tab right here on the New York Stock Exchange. Then go to the bottom and press on buy, and go to where it says stocks. Now select your account. So as I mentioned before, we want to buy into our tax-free savings account. So we'll go to TFSA right here and press on that, and then press on next. Now for fractional buy, what you can do is if you want to change that, go to the top, press on fractional buy, and you can do market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy. But we're just going to stick with fractional buy for this demonstration. And how about if we wanted to do $2 for whatever reason? Go ahead and press on $2, then press on continue. Now for me, actually, I don't have enough funds in this account to make this purchase, but if you did, you can go ahead with this process and then actually purchase Visa stock and place it into your tax-free savings account here using Wealthsimple. So a pretty straightforward progress. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.